share prices are mostly higher in Europe and Asia on Monday, lifted by encouraging employment data from the U.S. That took the Standard & Poor's 500 index to its third straight weekly gain on Friday despite weakness earlier in the week. Keeping SCORE Germany's DAX climbed 0.1% to 13,162.33, while the CAC 40 in France added less than 0.1% to 5,401.78. Britain's climbed 0.7% to 7,443.25. Dow futures added 0.2% to 24,374.00, and SP 500 futures were up 0.1%, auguring an upbeat start to the week. Analysts' viewpoint: the U.S. Federal Reserve, the ECB and the Bank of England will issue interest rate announcements this week. While the Fed is almost certain to lift rates by 0.25%, the consensus points to no changes from the ECB and BOE. The central bankers' take on the state of growth and inflation are potentially market-moving. U.S. inflation and retail sales numbers, and November industrial production in China headline a long list of releases this week, Michael McCarthy of CMC Markets said in a commentary. Bitcoin: the first-ever Bitcoin future jumped as the increasingly popular virtual currency made its debut on the Chicago Board Options Exchange. The futures contract that expires in January surged more than $3,000 to $18,500 during Asian trading hours after it was launched on the Chicago Board Options Exchange. By 0930 GMT it was at $17,500. The price of an actual Bitcoin has soared since it began the year below $1,000. As of 0700 GMT it was at $16,516.97 on the private exchange CoinDesk. Asia's day: Japan's Nikkei 225 stock index climbed 0.6% to 22,983.73, and Hong Kong's Hang Seng index gained 1.0% to 28,923.94. The SPASX 200 in Australia edged 0.1% higher to 6,030.01, and the Shanghai Composite Index added 0.9% to 3,318.87. South Korea's Kospi picked up 0.3% at 2,471.49. India's Sen rose 0.2% to 33,329.96, and shares in Southeast Asia also were higher. Energy: the price of oil fell back with benchmark U.S. crude losing 42 cents to $56.94 per barrel in electronic trading on the New York Mercantile Exchange. It gained 67 cents to $57.06 per barrel on Friday. Brent crude, the international standard, lost 14 cents to $63.26 per barrel. It rose $1.20 to $63.40 per barrel on Friday. Currencies: the dollar slipped to 113.40 Japanese yen from 113 yen and 48 cents late Friday. The euro rose to $1.1794 from $1.1774, and the British pound dropped to $1.3374 from $1.3465. Copyright 2017 The Associated Press. All rights reserved. This material may not be published, broadcast, rewritten or redistributed. Bitcoin SP Dow Jones Indices Federal Reserve.